Welcome everybody to this month's episode of Treats and Eats with Krista and Jody. Yay! So this month we are going to be featuring March monthly specials from Thrive Life, and we're going to be doing soups, sweets, and a bonus smoothie recipe that you didn't all know about. So I'm super excited for it. They're going to be delicious. We have 5 recipes to share tonight. And for those of you who don't know us, we are 2 Thrive consultants. We help busy moms save time and money in the kitchen, cooking with healthy, delicious, freeze-dried food. We've been doing this for 12 years, I think. And so I would say that we're experts, but we do it a lot. We cook with this food a lot. And so we love sharing it with you guys. My cousin Emily actually gave me this recipe, and it is one of my favorites. Everybody makes their fruit pies kind of different. Sometimes they're like a cooked, sometimes they're not cooked, but this is a cooked pie. So I did 2 cups of the peaches, which are on sale. And I love, love, love using freeze-dried fruit in pies because I feel like fruit in pies get soggy and the freeze-dried fruit holds together much better. So these have been soaking for a while. The peaches kind of seem to take a while to dehydrate. So I'm just layering this in the bottom of a pie pan. This pie crust is not gluten-free, but I made one earlier today and I found this gluten-free pie crust at the store. So if you are gluten-free, you can still have delicious pie because I have not had very good luck making pastries with gluten-free flour. So all you do is layer that fruit in the bottom of your pie tin. Then you're going to add the ingredients for the rest of it. It's like a cream pie. So this is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, which I actually had. I didn't have to make it myself. And then 2/3 cup white sugar. This is not a diet pie. Just saying. It is it's healthy because it's gluten-free. We'll call it that. Then you need 3 tablespoons cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, this will thicken it. And then a pinch of salt, so it's actually an 1/8 teaspoon. And you guys, we're going to send you out the full recipes for all of these because we never leave you hanging. You don't have to try to write them down while we're cooking. That would be a pain. Okay, so I got a teaspoon of vanilla. This is like the easiest dessert, and my kids have been dying. They're like, we need to put a sticky note on it so somebody doesn't eat it. Because I have one who just eats whatever is sitting out. I won't name names, but so I'm just whisking the sugar, the cream. Probably would be faster if I just had a mixer, but then you have to dirty more dishes. So this is actually a sweet, delicious, creamy pie that I'm super excited to eat. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so then you're gonna pour it into your pie shell, and it's as easy as that. Like, have you ever made an apple pie, a pumpkin pie? I feel like they're a big production, but this is not. It is super easy. So here's your pie with your fruit. Look at that thick, creamy. This is a bowl that you want to lick. I promise. My dog wants to lick this. He's coming over. So then you take this and you bake it in the oven 375 for like an hour. I accidentally left mine in long, but it's okay because it's pretty gooey. So this is like TV, guys. I prepped one in advance. You know, on TV, they like pull the finished one out so you can see it. So this is my gluten-free crust. Gluten-free crusts never hold together as well as regular crusts, but this one actually tasted, I took a bite off the edge, tasted really good. So my kids were all looking at this, totally wanting to eat it, and then they were trying to say it wasn't going to be good. I'm like, well, then that's fine. I'll just eat it. So I don't have anything beautiful to plate this with. So I'm just going to load it up, take a bite. See. So I let it set for quite a bit. It's been sitting this evening, probably a couple hours, because it is a little bit running at first. see how delicious or how yummy it tastes or smells, but I'm going to, I forgot my fork. I watch these one guys on Facebook and they always eat. And I'm always like, oh man, they're brave to just eat on their show, but I'm eating today because I've been wanting to taste this all day too.
That's okay. I've been eating the soup.
It's so good.
The soup is really good, but I want to eat that.
This is worth the calories right here. You need to make it. I'll have to compare because I think gluten-free pie crusts aren't quite as tasty as regular, but I'm just happy to be getting to have a dessert. Like how many times, if you're gluten-free or if you have any allergies or any health things, you know, like you always go and you're always kind of missing out. It's so good. That's delicious. Okay, sorry. I want to just eat the whole thing, but I'm going to finish chatting with you guys.